Hello, interview Joanna and Laura. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock a.m.
What time do you breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you shower?
I take a shower at 8 o'clock a.m.
What time do you dress?
I dress at 8:30 a.m.
What time do you lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock p.m.
What time do you go to study?
I go to study at 1 o'clock p.m.
What time do you arrive your home?
I arrive my home at 8 o'clock p.m.
What time do you dinner?
I have dinner 8:30 p.m.
What time do you go to the bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m.
Thank you.
Hello, interview Laura and Joanna. What time do you get up?
I get up at 8 o'clock a.m.
What time do you brush the teeth?
I brush my teeth 8:46 a.m.
What time do you take shower?
I take a shower at 8:30 a.m.
What time do you take breakfast?
I have breakfast at 9 o'clock a.m.
What time do you homework?
I do my homework at 9:30 a.m.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 11 a.m.
What time do you study?
I study in the Sena at 1 o'clock p.m.
What time is your return house?
I return my home at 8 o'clock p.m.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8:30 p.m.
What time do you go watch TV?
I watch TV at 9 o'clock p.m.
What time do you pray?
Hay algo. Hay algo spray at 10 o'clock.
What time do you sleep?
I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Thank you.